You're welcome to Binance Grid Trading. So the grid trading is a way for you to automatically trade on the Binance platform. They usually call it strategy trading. Now, this is good for futures traders who want to automate their trading experience. So even if you are a new trader or you are a pro trader, this is very beneficial for you. Now it says here you could choose whichever direction you want to go. You could decide to go long, neutral, or short. Now this is what you don't normally see on the futures trading. You don't have the opportunity to go neutral. You only have the opportunity to go between long or short. You could also set up your strategy trading between lower and or higher price, and there's also grids. Now the grids are usually what we refer to as the opportunity to get access to a crypto arbitrage opportunity. So I'm going to explain what that means in a bit. There's also opportunity for you to run a strategy when the price drops and hits the buy order, and the strategy will place a sell order. This whole concept is what we refer to as the crypto arbitrage opportunity. And you could also decide to close your strategy if you have enabled cancel all orders on stop. After you end the strategy, all open orders will be cancelled. So this is what you need to do, or this is what you can do. Now to start trading, you just need to click on it. Click on start trading. There's also more guides here available. Click on it and just select the asset you want to use. Now on default, you can see the price of BTC currently at $24,882. You just search for the particular asset you want to trade with. You could search for any of them. We have BTC pair, LQTY pair, we have a True pair, we have OPU, we have ETH pair. Yeah. Now let's say you want to use ETH pair. You just click on it. Or you could search if you want to trade let's say ApeCoin, Mana, Sandbox, any of these tokens. Now all you need to know is that there's the auto selection fees and also the manual selection fees. Now you can for the automatically generates a parameter based on the past trading experience, trading pattern of the particular asset. So it will automatically generate a recommended parameters for you. Now all you need to do is just to look into those parameters if they are suitable to you, or you want to reduce them. Now once you're setting that these parameters are okay for you, so let's say we want to go with the auto parameters. You want to see the number of days here period is going to run for about 30 days. This one is going to run for about 7 days. It's going to run for about 180 days. The leverage is about 20x, and the grid number is about 41 grids. You can see the profit margin is about 0.56 to about 0.75% on the investment you're putting on. So this is the grid margin you'll be getting on each individual grids that are available. So we have about 41 grids here, so you should times that by the number, and that should be your estimated profit. Now the price range is between 1465 to about 1944. So you can see it's a kind of bullish on the fact that ETH is going to be between these figures. It's going to be hovering around this figure based on the experience that for the past 1 month, 2 months, ETH has been hovering around $1,000 to about $2,000. So it has created the best one for you, recommendation price range, that is going to be around $1,465 to about $1,944. Now these are concepts that are usually not available to newbies. Now newbies who do not or are not familiar with the market trend and want to benefit from the profits, because futures trading is very lucrative. So you want to benefit from the profit margin. You also want to consider these all concepts. So what you need to do, if it's okay for you, you just click on the initial margin. So you can see initial margin here. It says that you need to have about $15, 15 USDT and above to kickstart with this particular pattern that has been generated for you. Now you can see my available balance here. I do not have any USDT here. Now all you need to do is just to impute if you have. Just click on here and you'll be able to transfer from your fiat and spot wallet directly to your futures wallet. Now wherever your funds are, you want to transfer them directly to your futures wallet, and click on confirm. Once you're done with that, and click on the initial, let's say you want to use 20 USDT. So you just type 20 USDT. It's going to tell me that I do not have this, but this is all you need to do, 20 USDT. So once you're done with that, click on any of these and just click on create. So it will automatically create your order for you, and you can see your order will start running. You can check your history. The history is where you see past orders that you've done for a certain period of time. Now if I should check history here, I'm going to date this back a little bit. Let's just say we want to date it back to, okay, I'm going to take this forward a little bit more. So let's say I'm dating it back to, okay, I think I took it too far. Date it back some forward, because this strategy, it came into existence not too long ago. So you can check out your strategy. You can check out the trades you've done for a certain period of time. You can see and your orders will start going. Now these individual bars are where you make your profit from. So automatically on the GridTrading, the mechanics is that each of these each of these bars are what they call the grid. These are what we call the grid, and the strategy behind it is the fact that the bots, or the Binance bot, is a free trading bot. So which is one cool thing to note. The free trading bot tries to buy tokens. It tries to buy the assets at a lower price and tries to sell these assets that it has bought at a lower price, tries to sell them at a higher price. So let's say at 1411 it bought ETH at $1,411. It's going to try and sell it when ETH goes above a certain price. Now the certain price is determined by the profit, or the grid fees, the profit margin which you are comfortable with. Now if you're comfortable with this 0.56 to 0.75, it's going to wait for it to get to 0.56, 0.57, 0.50 to about 0.75. It's going to any amount, any limit between those period, any profit margin within those periods is going to try to sell that particular asset immediately, so you can get profits for your trade. Now this is what it's going to do on a repeat basis. Repeat basis, it's going to continue doing this on a repeat basis in order for you to benefit from your trade. So as a new user that wants to trade, you want to consider using this. Now my futures trading, you can see this is one of the notifications we got. I said the current price of your futures grid of Doge against USDT pair with strategy order. This the order is this has exceeded the lower limit of this grid. So sometimes there are times Binance will notify you that you're running at loss or you're in profit. These are just notifications that are associated with your trade, so you also want to keep an eye on those trade. Now let's look at this article that talks about step-by-step guide or some of the key concepts to note. Now after creating your grid strategy, when BTC price moves buy, long, or sell, this is what we just talked about, that you get profits whenever these transactions push through. So you want to take note of this and how it basically works. Now these are the benefits you get when you use the Binance Grid trading. You can make the most out of your crypto experience by putting these into practice and benefiting from this. Now we also did a cool tutorial too also here. We also did a cool tutorial where you can also benefit from this. I'm just gonna play this. Just gonna play this so you can get access to this. Now we also did a cool tutorial too. Yeah, I just on here, just click on Binance Grid Trading. So you can check out tutorial here. We did a separate tutorial too on Binance Grid Trading, specifically on for futures trader, how to trade like a pro. Now you can see here, you check out this tutorial that talks about it and some of the promotions that are currently ongoing here. Now as a new user, you want to make sure that you have an account on Binance. So you click on this video or click on the video you're watching now currently. Make sure you subscribe. So once you subscribe, click on this link here. It's going to take you directly to the Binance Grid Trading platform, where you be prompted to start your trading career or start your trading journey. Now all you need to do once it loads up is to click on the register button. Now, as a new user that is registering with our affiliate link, you get access to lots of benefits and perks. So you can see the price of BTC just moved from 888 to about it's kind of bullish now. It's very, very bullish, and you can see the automatic boats on neutral. You can see the recommendations from 20,000 to about 29,000. So we could be seeing highs of about maybe BTC overing going past 30k very soon. Hopeful, this is not financial advice, but hopefully you should be seeing. Now, for manual users, you could also decide. Manual users, just manual trading strategy just allows you to impute the values you want to impute by yourself. You put those values by yourself. So if you're familiar with the analysis, you're good with technical analysis and trading in general, you want to do this yourself. So click on register. When you click on register, it's going to take you directly to the Binance registration platform. Click on sign up with email, and it's going to bring you here where you need to put in your email address and phone number. You can also use your phone number, whichever one, but take note of our referral ID. These are referral ID. It's going to give you bonuses as well as a trading fee kickbacks. So the trading fees on Binance are usually very cheap, but you get additional cheap 5% kickback because you're using our affiliate link, because we're currently partners with Binance. So these are the perks you'll be getting, guys. If you have any questions, guys, just let me know in the comment section. The crypto arbitrage, you could check out. You can see lots of profits that users have been making by using these. So let's say we want to head over to Twitter, guys. I'm just going to go over to Twitter now. Let me show you guys some of the benefits or some of the experiences users are currently getting. So if you go over to Twitter and search up for Binance GridTrading experiences, you can see some of the profit margin that users have been getting using these trading strategies. So these are some of the reasons why you should stick to the GridTrading as a new user, or as a professional trader that just wants to automate their experience on the Binance platform. So we're just going to wait for this to load up. Here, click on search button. So yeah, I just searched for Binance GridTrading. So let's see what's going to pop up. You see pictures and more. There's also lots of other announcements and benefits where you could also participate in giveaways, 500 more than 500 sports or trading pairs and more. You can see pictures, you can see announcements and more, guys. As of recording, guys, there's also the there's also the opportunity for you to participate in the ongoing there's an ongoing reward section for users who are currently to celebrate the International Women's Day. So individuals can participate in these and trading events where if you trade up to about $5,000, you should be rewarded. It says here you could be rewarded in 1,000 USDT token voucher, 800 and 500 USDT vouchers. Now all you need to do, just trade at least 5,000 USDT volume, and eligible users with the most likes, you can share this on Twitter or your social media handle, and you get the rewards. Now if you like this video, don't forget to give us a shout out, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section, guys. I'll drop all the links to all the videos and more in the comment section. Follow us on all social media handles also, and stay tuned for more, guys. Peace out. It's your boy Akahilz.